Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Pokémon Go. To reach the highest trainer level, you'll need to accumulate a vast amount of experience points. While the current cap is level 50, a significant update will soon raise it to level 80, offering new challenges and rewards. We'll explore the most effective strategies to maximize your XP gains and climb those trainer levels quickly, making your journey to the top both efficient and fun. Catching Pokémon is a fundamental way to earn XP. Aim for excellent throws, which grant 1,000 bonus experience points per catch. Evolving Pokémon is another excellent source, providing 1,000 XP for each evolution. To truly accelerate your progress, activate a lucky egg before a mass evolution session or during a catching spree. This doubles all your earned experience for 30 minutes, making your efforts twice as rewarding. Raids are a fantastic way to earn substantial XP. Successfully completing a 5-star raid battle, for instance, awards 10,000 experience points. Building friendships with other trainers is also incredibly lucrative. Reaching best friend status with someone provides a massive 100,000 XP bonus. Remember to interact daily by sending and opening gifts to quickly advance your friendship levels and unlock these significant rewards. For consistent XP gains, make spinning Poké stops and gyms part of your daily routine, especially for first spin bonuses. Always complete your daily and special research tasks, as they often provide valuable experience. The most impactful strategy involves timing your lucky eggs. Use them when you're about to hit a new friendship level with multiple friends, or during a planned mass evolution event to maximize your doubled XP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.